Hey beautiful butterflies, if you want to know how I achieve this flawless, walang hulas, no cakey makeup routine, this is my on-go makeup whenever I need to pick up my son from school. Super madali, super saglit lang. And you will not look that haggard na mommy, losyang, or whatsoever, call whatever you want. So I'm just using 25 pesos lang na moisturizer. I'm using from IY. This is the new one. I believe they already released another 3 more, but I'm not sure. I'm just going to show it here, or I'll link below where I got this one from Beauty Manila, and I got a lot of them because it's super cheap siya and very handy. I'm going to share this also with my hubby-dubby. Next is the Secret Primer, which Toni made me buy this. This is the new Dove Deodorant Dry Serum. They have 3 variants. They have the purple, the green, and the pink. So this pink one, it removes underarm. It removes dark marks underarm. It's an intensive renew. It has collagen for the face, why not? And 48 hours protection. So let's see. So my face become instantly an underarm, but according to her, it make her skin very smooth, very flawless, and you can see here, super ganda actually. So I'm going to wear test this one, and if you want to know how I apply this on my face, please keep on watching. Medyo paulan ang panahon ngayon, so indoor lights muna tayo, ha? Yung ring light ko, hindi ko alam, parang may sarili siyang buhay. Minsan gumagana, minsan hindi. Let's start with a clean face. I always... Where's my moisturizer? If you're familiar with the Pochi candy, familiar yung smell niya dito. Primer. I saw one of her videos. Alam ko, alam niyo na rin to. She apply a deodorant as her primer. Yes. And it really works. It really smoothens out. Deodorant helps not to perspire, diba? Yung mga oiliness and all that stuff. So, she was using Dove. Ang hirap makahanap ng Dove, girl. So it was really funny because when I went to Watson's store, I easily grabbed the tube that is color pink, which I accidentally grabbed the Rexona brand. Kasi similar sila ng Dove here. See, as in super similar. So super similar sila. I grabbed this one, and then when I reach home, doon ko napansin, Rexona pala siya. So this is Rexona. What I did, ito na lang ginamit ko sa underarm ko. And the Dove, like what Toni used, ito na lang gagamitin ko as my primer. This is just a disclaimer. Please use at your own risk. Hindi siya chemical harm. Pero, syempre, it's a deodorant that you're applying on your face. I'm not recommending it for you to try on, but I want to try it for myself. So,
para sa akin lang to, okay?
So, let's go on. First, mag-a-apply ako ng moisturizer ko, which is this one. And so, I'll just apply a moisturizer. Ganito pala siya, guys, katik. Yan. Yan. Actually, ganitong amount lang. Okay na siya. You don't need a lot. Basta make sure lang na spread mong even. Ayan. Yun, no? Ang bango niya. Amoy niya pochi. Hala, gumagalaw din yung camera. Kada galaw ko din dito sa bed. Wait ko lang konti para makuha ng skin ko yung moisturizer. I'll just go ahead and prep my lips. I usually just use a ordinary petroleum jelly kasi wala na yung Nivea ko. Yes, I put Nivea cream on my lips kasi super din siya nagda-dry. So I'm just using the ordinary petroleum jelly. Quick and easy lang to kasi I need to pick up my son. Diyos ko, yung mga manok ng kapitbahay namin. Diyos ko, kaloka. Okay. Now, this is the second part. Okay na siya. I used the Angel Veil ng NYX. Super ganda din siya. Nagmamatify din siya ng funda, girl. But for this one, I'm going to try. Toni recommend this one. So, I'm going to try this one. And a lot of beauty vloggers, I guess, they also try it. And it works for them. Hindi sila nag-oil up. Naging matte super ang kanilang skin. Ay, bakit ako may ganito sa hands? Wait, guys. Try natin, guys. Bango niya. Super duper like it. Sige, go ahead. I think ganito okay na siya. Ganito karami okay na yan sa full face ko. This is it! Wait, ganito muna. Oh my God! Ay, ang bongga! Namamat niya yung... Nawala yung pagkalagay ko ng moisturizer, yung pagka-soft niya. Oh, nagiging matte na agad siya. So, the deodorant, as you all know, it prevents you sweating. So, as applying deodorant on your face, as a primer, it helps you not to oil up that much. So I'm just going to use my favorite foundation. This is from Lancome, and I'm in the shade of 03 Beige. Yan, 2 pumps lang ako actually dito eh. Yan, 2 pumps lang, and it's super duper. I love the coverage. Hindi siya ganon ka, how to say, super heavy coverage, but it's very buildable. So kung naghahanap kayo ng medium to full coverage, dito kayo. Yan. And one thing is, mabilis siya matuyo, so kailangan mabilis ka mag-blend, girl. I'm just going to use a foundation brush. By the way, I'm using Ann Klut's brush. Ang ganda nito, guys, promise. Haven't tried other brushes pa. Ito yung peklat na nangyari sa akin, yung nalaglag yung item sa taas na. I'm going to use the blender from Anakai. Super ganda nito, itong black. I haven't tried the other one. Then, I'm going to proceed with my concealer. So, since super simple lang ang look ko today, hindi ko muna gagamitin si Huda Beauty ko kasi tinitipid ko to. Super love ko, and I really love the coverage of Huda Beauty concealer. Pero ngayon, gagamitin ko lang si Maybelline. Maganda din to for your under eyes. Yan. Spray ko lang konti. I'm just using this face mist by Fresh Skin Lab. Super ganda nito, as you can see. Oh, mauubos ko na siya. I'm just going to use a powder. Super mabilis lang. Hindi ako nagbe-bake eh. Hindi actually ako marunong eh. Apply lang para lang maset si concealer. Super mura rin din itong setting powder ko. Actually, mag-1 year na ata to sa akin eh. Tama ba? Pa sa akin. Si Nichido. Super ganda siya. I'm using the shade of Creamy Glow. Nalaman ko din to kay Miss Ann Klutz. Bongga yun. And then, kuha tayo ng powder brush. You can use any brush kung ano nafe-feel yung mas suitable at nafe-feel mo mas kaya mong i-control when you're applying your makeup. So, habang ganyan, hindi ako talaga nagbe-bake. As in, nagsiset lang ako. So, mabilisan, sweep off. And yes, ito muna bago ako gumawa ng kilay. Kasi I want to see my under eye. Let's go to my kilay. Fast forward tayo, ha guys? So, sinishape ko muna ang aking kilay. Using itong dulo ng brow pencil. This is from Detailed Makeover. In the shade of Ash Brown. And then, yung ilalim din. Not too detailed kasi makapal na yung kilay ko eh. So, I'm just shaping yung mga hindi natubuan ng hair. Bungi siya. Yan. Yung kilay ko uneven siya. That's one of my problems ever since. Pero sabi nung nagtatreading sa akin, ganun daw talaga ang kilay, hindi pantay. Kasi our eyes are not even. So yung mata ko, hindi siya pantay, mas mataas yung mata ko dito kaysa dito. Kaya yung kilay ko sumama na rin siya. And then I'm going to use, my gosh, thank you Toni for recommending this one, and also John Ray Fluff Matte na lippy. I got the shade on repeat. Super duper love it. Done. Okay, so I'm just going to add more blush here. By the way, I'm just using the NYX actually matagal na to eh, Powder Puff. Hindi siya new lippy. This is the old lippy from NYX. This is one of their newest version pala, since I think this is their one newest lippy nung 2017, something ganon. Ayan. O diba? Parang Toni lang. Who doesn't love blush? Okay guys, I'll bring you with me sa school ng anak ko. I'll bring you with me. Ayan. You can see close. As you can see here. Ayan. Halata pa yung mga pimple bumps ko. Ayan o. Ayan. I don't have natural lighting kasi umuulan siya ngayon. And suddenly, yung ring light ko, hindi siya gumana. I don't know. Baka nag-short circuit ulit siya. But anyway, all good. So I'll just bring you guys with me, okay? Tara, let's go. Okay, so nasa school na ako ng aking anak. Grabe, oh. So far, so good. Ang ganda pagka-matte ng foundation ko, oh. Mukha siyang fresh, pero yun nga lang, kung hindi ka hiyang sa amoy ng deodorant, yung medyo flowery or medyo matapang na perfume, baka hindi mo magustuhan. So, yun. But later, I'll just let you know ano yung pinaka-final update ko and opinion ko using a deodorant on your face. Kasi, bago siya.
What do I look like?
Look like Daddy and Mommy.